In today's video, you will learn why scraping your tongue should be a habit to add to your routine. We Westerners don't have this habit. Yes, we brush our teeth and even our tongues, but scraping it is still unheard of for us, right? Did you know that this small habit can bring improvements in your life? Tongue scraping is an old technique, recommended even by dentists, but it has never been talked about so much as recently. According to Ayurveda, tongue scraping should be part of our daily routines. The tongue contains many residues like bacteria, fungi, toxins, and even some residual emotions. If we don't clean it, the body reabsorbs these residues, which harms the body and the person's balance. Have you gotten a good look at your tongue today? According to the millenary Indian philosophy that combines health and wellness, scraping your tongue right after waking up should be one of the first things of your day. This prevents the toxins released during sleep being absorbed and returned to the body with your breakfast. You don't need to buy a tongue scraper to do it, even though they already exist in many different types: plastic, copper, or stainless steel. You can start doing it with a teaspoon. Scraping your tongue has many benefits, such as prevents bad breath, detoxifies the body, renews your palate, improves teeth and gum health, contributes to the immune system, facilitates digestion, lowers phlegm production, purifies the mind and the body. Now that you know the benefits of this practice, you must be asking yourself, how do I scrape my tongue? Today, you can easily find tongue scrapers in drugstores. If you find a copper one, opt for it. But if you don't, buy a plastic one, which is usually easier to find. In an emergency, even a spoon works. Scrape your tongue every morning after waking up before eating anything. Every morning, before drinking water, hold your scraper by the handles and put the big curve on the back of your tongue. With gentle pressure, pull it from the back to the front. Rinse the scraper with water and repeat the process if necessary. Easy, simple, and healthy, right? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.